Chhattisgarh district where the Rashtriya Swayamsevak Sangh or the RSS is holding its 3-day long coordination meeting or Samanvay Baitak. So let's dive into why this meeting is so crucial and what can be expected on the agenda. This year's meeting is significant for several reasons. First, this is the largest coordination meeting, or we can say this is the largest forum for all Sangh affiliates, including the BJP. As many as 32 Sangh affiliates are being represented through their national presidents or national office bearers in this meeting. Around 320 dignitaries they have already arrived, and as we speak, the meeting is underway. The meeting venue is just a kilometer away from this location, and there is a very, very tight security. So we are not allowed in and around the meeting venue. However, this meeting is seen as one of the most important event from where all the Sangh affiliates and, as I said, Sangh inspired organization, they are going to get a direction for the future course of action. There can be some course correction in terms of their political, social and cultural outreach. This meeting comes at a very significant, very sensitive juncture, especially in the wake of the election results and the electoral setback in key states like Uttar Pradesh, Maharashtra and West Bengal. Apart from all this year's Samanvay Baitak is seeing a very unusual, interesting inclusion. The plight of the Hindus in Bangladesh, the severe persecution as they want to call it, some functionaries want to call it, is going to be discussed in this meeting, and this is the first time that they are going to discuss an international issue, because generally all these kind of coordination meetings are generally focused on the national concerns, the social, political, cultural concerns. But this time they are going to talk about the persecution, the assault on the Hindus in Bangladesh. According to the senior RSS functionaries, they are also going to discuss the strategies to support the Hindus in Bangladesh. And they also see that this decision reflects the Sangh's broader commitment towards the well-being of Hindus that goes beyond Indian border. Among all these things, the focal point of this meeting is going to be the caste dynamics that has now gained a huge momentum and, of course, urgency. The senior leader of the opposition party, especially senior Congress leader Rahul Gandhi, he and some of the NDA allies, they are now demanding a comprehensive caste census. The Sangh affiliates have already been asked to submit their report or talk about their ground understanding about the emerging caste fault lines across states. So they are expected to do that, and there is this huge pressure related to caste and caste issues. All the Sangh affiliates are now facing. However, despite these pressures, senior RSS functionaries, they still think that releasing of any caste data or holding any caste census can be counterproductive. They think that any publication of caste-related data may create further societal divide. As we speak, the meeting is underway and it will go on for next 3 days. And as we covered, this is clear that this meeting is going to address several national and international pressing concerns. This is Madhuparna Das for CNN News 18 in Kerala.